Hi everyone, my name's Jenny and I'm the K-5 librarian at the Burbank Public Library. Today I want to share some tips with you about searching our catalog. How do you find what's new in the collection? How do I search by accelerated reader level or specific areas? I'll cover these questions and more today, so let's get started. From the library website, you can access the catalog by clicking Go next to Search Our Catalog in the upper right-hand corner. This will bring up all items in the collection, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the Home button here to get back to the catalog homepage. Let's start with looking for new items in our collection. On the home page, under this stream where it's showing the covers of new books, let's go ahead and click on New Materials. You'll select which section you're most interested in. I'm going to go ahead and click on Children's Books. This will bring up all the new children's books. And I want to point out to always click on this blue bar here that says Check to see availability. This will tell you which library branches own the book, and if the material is checked out, if it's on hold for someone, and you can also see if it's available. It'll tell you which branch it's on the shelf at. So in this case, this title is at the Northwest branch. Let's go back to the home page. And let's say you wanted to find easy readers for your second grader to read on their own, and you wanted to search with specific reading levels. If you scroll down, there are these blue boxes here on the left-hand side. You can search by accelerated reader or AR level or Lexile range. I'm going to go ahead and do a search for books between the AR level of 2.0, which is the beginning of second grade, and 2.9, which is technically the second grade, 9th month, or the end of second grade. And I'm going to click Search. This brings up a list of all the items between this AR range of 2.0 to 2.9, which you can see here on the left-hand side. Let's go ahead and narrow this down, though, using all of the filters here on the left-hand side, because we have a lot of choices. So let's say we only want easy readers, so we're going to click on Shelf Location. Now, if you didn't see juvenile easy readers listed here, you could always click on View All to bring up a list of all the book sections in the library. Children's books will always be listed in juvenile sections, and you can also look for teen books in young adult fiction or young adult graphic novels. I'm going to go ahead and click on Juvenile Easy Readers, since that's what we're looking for, and click Include. So it still brings up a lot of choices. I have over 700 titles here that are in between that AR range in the Juvenile Easy Readers. So you can narrow it down further using the filters on the side. You could do it by library if you only wanted certain ones at a certain branch. You could also do it by subject if you only wanted books about certain subjects. So I'm going to go ahead and click View All. Here you'll see there are mystery and detective stories, books about dogs. I'm also going to click books about friendship, and I'm going to click Include. I'm also going to click up here, Only Show Available, because I want these books soon. From here, you can select which ones you want by clicking Place Hold and entering your library card number or student ID number and your PIN. Then you'll be contacted to pick them up when they're ready. So let's go back to the home page, and I want to do one more search. If you know what you're looking for, you can always search by title, author, or even a specific book's ISBN number if you want to look for something very specific. But you can also just do a keyword search. So let's say I wanted to find Common Core or math workbooks for my 5th grader. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Common Core as my search term. You might get other results if you use other keywords like math workbook or 5th grade, so just feel free to experiment. So here I have 215 titles, so I want to go ahead and narrow this down. So I'm going to click on Format because I only want physical books. Our catalog will also bring up ebooks in our search, and I'm going to press Include. I also definitely want to filter this to the juvenile parent collection, since that's where we've added all of our new student support materials. So Under Shelf Collection, I'm going to click View All, and I'm going to click Juvenile Parent Collection and click Include. So you can read more about a book by clicking on the title if you want to know some more information. So I'm going to click on this 5th grade Common Core math workbook. In this box that it brings up, sometimes it will have a summary or the plot of a book. Sometimes it will have reviews of the book. Since this is just a workbook, it doesn't really include that. It'll also show you where it is in our system and if it's available under status. It'll also include how many pages the book is. This workbook is 150 pages, and sometimes it will include a chapter list as well. If you're logged into your account, you can add this to a list. So if you click Select an Action, you could add it to, a list later if you're building a list of things that you want to read. You can also just click on Place Hold and enter in your library card information if you want it to be pulled and ready for checkout. So I hope this video helps you feel more comfortable and confident using our catalog. If you have any other questions, you can click on this link here that says Getting Started. This addresses some of the most common questions you might have about using our catalog, and as always, you can always call our help desks. Thanks for watching!